In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use bridge lists to make a customized vocabulary list for a selection of a work that excludes words you already know. Begin by selecting your language, and then click plus to add the text you'd like to read. We'll select Virgil's Eclogues, and then select a section. In this case, click yes, and then from 1 to 1 will give us all the words in Virgil's Eclogue 1. Click Save. We could add other texts or sections, but now let's click Next. On this page, we can exclude words from works we're familiar with, reveal words that our text has in common with text we already know, or create a full list. But today, let's exclude words we already know. Click plus, and then add any text that you already know. Let's start with words in the DCC core list. We could click Save and do the whole list, but instead, let's indicate a selection. Say we're familiar with the first 500 words of the list. Click Save, click plus, and we can add another text. Maybe Wheelock's Latin. And not the whole thing, but the first 36 chapters. Click Save, and now click Make Your List. And there you go, the 333 words in Virgil's first Eclogue, excluding the 500 most common words as found in the DCC Latin core list, and also any word in the vocabulary from the first 36 chapters of Wheelock's Latin. Click on the tab to reveal additional options. You can see words that have been excluded by clicking Toggle. You can also print and export your list. You can also refine your list. So here, for example, is a list of all the adjectives. You add them all back, and there you go. Happy reading.